Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is Preeti Ghosh and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is all about lifestyle and education. So, if you are looking for the channel where you can get different aspects of lifestyle and yes, at the same time get access to wide range of books and educational videos, so you are subscribing to the right channel. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. This is the part 4 of chapter 1, that is growing plants. Today in this video we are going to discuss the exercise questions of chapter 1. In section A, you have asked to choose the correct answer. So the first question says, the outer hard covering of a seed is called, the answer is seed coat. बाहर का जो हार्ड कवरिंग होता है सीड में, उसको क्या कहते हैं? सीड कोट. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन सेज, द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्कैटरिंग ऑफ सीड्स away from the mother plant is called? Yes, the answer is dispersal. Third question, carrot and sweet potato can grow new plant from their? Answer is root. Question number 4, cotton plant grows well in? कॉटन प्लांट जो है वो किस तरीके के सॉइल में अच्छा ग्रो करता है? द आंसर इज ब्लैक सॉइल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द मोस्ट कॉमन प्लांट्स ऑफ डेजर्ट्स आर? द आंसर इज कैक्टस एंड prickly pear. Question number 6, यूरिया, ammonium sulfate, superphosphates are some common. What are they? These all are examples of fertilizers. The answer is fertilizer. Question number 7, wheat and gram are examples of? These are the examples of rabi crops. Now in section B they have asked you give short answers. The first question says define germination. So the answer is the change of a seed into a seedling is called germination. एक सीड जब सीडलिंग में ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है या चेंज होता है, उस चेंज को कहते हैं germination. Question number 2, what are the necessary conditions for the seeds to germinate? क्या क्या नेसेसरी कंडीशंस है जो सीड को जर्मिनेट होने के लिए चाहिए? द एसेंशियल कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सीड्स टू जर्मिनेट आर प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, एयर एंड वार्मथ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ कॉटिलिडन्स इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ अ सीडलिंग? आंसर, cotyledons' function is to provide the initial growth for the plant. The seedling grows green leaves and the cotyledon dries up. तो cotyledon का क्या काम होता है? वो इनिशियली उस छोटे से पौधे को ग्रोथ देने में हेल्प करता है एंड आफ्टर द सीडलिंग ग्रोज ग्रीन लीव्स. जब सीडलिंग ग्रीन लीव्स ग्रो करने लगता है तो कॉटिलिडन्स ड्राई हो जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट इज वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन? एंड द डेफिनेशन और द आंसर इज ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स फ्रॉम देयर बॉडी पार्ट्स सच एज रूट, स्टेम और लीफ is called vegetative propagation. Okay. Question number 5, how does soil affect the growth of the plants? Soil कैसे plant के growth को affect कर सकता है? Answer is soil affects the growth and development of plants. Some plants grow well in one kind of soil but poorly in another. Now, different plants require different kinds of soil. Now, in section C, they have asked you to answer the following questions. Okay, so the first question says, name different parts of a seed. Support your answer with a diagram. Now, you have to draw a diagram of a seed with their different parts. As you can see, this is the seed coat, then the tiny plant is called embryo, then this is called food store. You can also write the cotyledon or seed leaves. Actually, as we have read in the previous question, last question में क्या पढ़ा था कि cotyledons जो होते हैं वो उस बेबी प्लांट के इनिशियल ग्रोथ में उसकी हेल्प करता है. तो यही है, cotyledons उस बेबी प्लांट के लिए फूड स्टोर रखता है. तो फूड स्टोर कहाँ पे रहता है? cotyledons में, जिसको सीड लीव्स भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1. Now, the question number 2 is, explain the 3 main ways by which new plants can be grown. So, 3 तरीके जिससे new plants grow कर सकते हैं. Answers will be from seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. What are the example? Wheat and gram. Next, from roots. Some plants grow from their roots. Examples, carrot and sweet potato. Third, from stem. Now, many plants can be grown from stem cuttings. What are the examples? The examples are rose and sugarcane. Okay? In question number 3, they have asked you which factors affect the growth and development of plants. Explain briefly. So you have to mention all these factors which affect the growth and development of plants along with their little bit explanations. So the first factor is soil. How does it affect? Different plants require different kind of soils. Examples, rice and jute needs soil that can hold enough water like loamy and clay soil. So rice and jute can grow in kind of soil where there is enough of water present. So they will be grown in loamy and clay soil. Whereas wheat and bajra grows in sandy soil. Okay. Now the next is climate. Different plants are adapted to different climate. Let us see few examples to understand this well. So the example, some plants need heavy rainfall like rubber, whereas conifers are adapted to grow in hilly areas. Conifers क्या होते हैं? वो hilly areas में grow कर सकते हैं, whereas कुछ प्लांट्स को क्या चाहिए? बहुत ज़्यादा रेनफॉल, बारिश की ज़रूरत होती है, लाइक रबर. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड इज सीजन्स. नाउ देयर आर 2 कैटेगरीज इन दिस. क्रॉप्स दैट ग्रो इन विंटर आर कॉल्ड राबी क्रॉप्स. एग्जाम्पल्स, ग्राम एंड व्हीट. एंड क्रॉप्स दैट ग्रो इन समर आर कॉल्ड खारिफ क्रॉप्स. What are the examples? Rice and bajra. So these are the factors that affect the growth and development of plants. Soil, climate and seasons. Okay. Question number 4. Give 5 tips for a better crop yield. 5 ऐसे टिप्स बताने हैं जिससे क्रॉप्स, फसल अच्छी तरह से ग्रो कर सके. ठीक है, उसका प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा हो सके. सो व्हाट आर दीज 5 टिप्स? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. द फर्स्ट वन इज यूज हेल्दी एंड बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ सीड्स. सेकेंड, एड मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स टू द सीड. ठीक तरीके से फर्टिलाइजर्स ऐड करने पड़ेंगे सॉइल में. ओके. थर्ड, irrigate the plant properly, means water the plant properly. Fourth, remove weeds from field. What are the weeds? Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crop that we need. So we have to remove those unwanted plants, also called weeds, from the field. Fifth one, use insecticides and pesticides to keep the plants pest free. So what are insecticides and pesticides? Insecticides, those which can kill the insects, and pesticides are those which can kill the pest. Those are harmful for our crops. So we have to keep our crops away from these insects and pests by using insecticides and pesticides. Okay, so these are few tips by which we can get a better crop yield. Now in section D, you have to give 2 examples of each. Okay, first one, monocot plants. What are the 2 examples? Wheat and rice. Dicot plants, gram and beans. Third says seeds dispersed by wind. ऐसे seeds के नाम बताने हैं जो wind के help से इधर से उधर चले जाते हैं. Answer will be cotton and madar. Fourth, seeds dispersed by water. Answer, coconut and lotus. And question number 5 says plants grow from stem cutting. Plants जो stem की cutting से भी grow कर सकते हैं. Answer, rose and sugarcane. Okay? So students, this concludes our chapter 1, and stay tuned for chapter 2 in our upcoming videos. Okay? Thank you.
So that's all about today's video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon.